G'day, Phil Pickney, back again for an outback adventure. Just gotten off the phone with a local in distress saying that there's been a colony of flying foxes seeking refuge in the infamous Blackbutt forest. Now, as the Illawarra's leading animal expert, I'll take it upon myself to go in, check it out, locate the colony, make sure there are no injured wildlife, take a few stool samples to make sure everything's in order, and just make sure there's no third-party human contact. And then, of course, the theory is just, approach, educate, survive. That's it. That's the motto. So we're on our way to Blackbutt. We'll be there shortly, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for coming along. Rightio, here we are. We've arrived. Blackbutt Forest. Now, Blackbutt Forest gets its name from the trees. The base of the trees, usually charred black, and that's from all the bushfires. Hence the name, Blackbutt Forest. Either way, it's home to some wonderful wildlife, even the flying fox, which we're going to go and check out now. So let's make our way up, shall we? G'day mate, how are you? Yeah. Not too bad, thank you.
There's a couple of wallabies up there. Yeah, I was surprised. I'm up here all the time.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you see the telltale scratchings.
Yeah.
Yeah. You never get to see them.
Rightio, this is as far as we can come via vehicle. As you can see, the direction I've been given, I've been told to head down here. That's about 3 clicks that way. So it's time to hang up the old car keys and put on the old hiking boots. With such a large number of bats getting around, there needs to be some sort of large body of water nearby for them to hydrate themselves. So we're going to continue on downstream, as water flows downstream, and hopefully there'll be a nice pond or creek getting around, and hopefully we can see some more nature. It's some of the purest drinking water you'll ever have. That's a fact. No turtles though. Or striped marsh frog. And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, Dead Man's Creek. Quite a picture perfect location we have here. Beautiful. You've got the lovely native reeds holding the land structure together. Once you get rid of those, the whole fucking mountain will cave in. What it also does is it filters out the water and aerates the water for the large amount of aquatic dwelling creatures we have in there, such as freshwater eels, the long-necked turtle, tadpoles, the native striped marsh frog. Got a soft spot in my heart for them. I've dealt with them in the past, and they're quite placid, gentle creatures. You might get the occasional pet goldfish that people just dump and release, but they don't usually last too long. So the water levels are about, fuck mate, she's near empty. That's climate change for you. That's the cotton farmers right there. Clive Palmer, the cotton farmers, selling all of our bloody fresh natural water to the cotton farmers, and look, she's near empty. That should be 5 metres deep and 0.0 metres deep. As you can see, I get a few of the local fans gathering around over there. G'day folks, still picking, whatever. Yeah, I just told them to clear back a bit, got security over there. And as you can see, global warming, coal money, coal seam gases, fracking, it's destroying it one day at a time. So we really got to embrace this and just enjoy it while we can. Because who knows, I don't think my children's children will be experiencing anything like this. They'll just be watching this video. G'day kids. Like and subscribe. Oh fuck, Brony bro! Look what we got here. It's a yellow stemmed mushroom. Now these, very rare find. They are a psychedelic. So very popular among the locals down here, but very protected. National park, no foraging or eating. See, they usually grow in groups, but I'm only seeing, here we are. Yep. Fuck, that's a wampa. Yep, definitely yellow stem. Seen better days, but the street value of these things, astronomical. 10 grand each for easily those 2 big ones. Maybe 5 for that one, but this is a very, very, very rare find. Good find. The gum tree we're standing below actually has bunions on it. So highly contagious disease. As you can see, it's gone across the next tree. And it's just like the bunions you get in your bloody foot. Pretty gross, but it's a natural thing. This is a Roni Bra part 2. Hidden under, we have the imitating rose mushroom. Again, actually no, this one is not a psychedelic. So if anyone ever tries to sell you one of these, they're fake. They enjoy the darkness. They don't particularly enjoy the direct sunlight, hence why they're under this big root, under the canopy of the trees. But once again, truly a beautiful, magnificent plant, or fungi as we have. But you won't find these on your pizza. That's the native Alarma bird. As you can see, they mimic the sound of car alarms. So, well, the sounds of things, someone's car alarm has gone off, and then it has mimicked that car alarm. So, yeah, definitely a Barama bird. And here we have another quick fungus fact. Now, right here we have the bungus fungus. This is a special type of mushroom. It's almost more of a toadstool itself. You can see the sheer size compared to the hat. It's absolutely massive. That thing's probably about 30-40 years old, untouched. So close to human interference, but remains untouched. It's beautiful to see something like this. You know, you don't see that kind of stuff every day. So, some of you may know Blackbutt Forest is home to many different types of animals, all different shapes and sizes, from mammals, marsupials, insects, arachnids, the whole lot. And right now, we've got a very special visitor, a golden orbed spider. For any arachnophobics, I suggest you skip this scene. As you can have a look, the sheer size of the web is about 4.5 meters up top, all the way down here. You can see just the sheer size of the abdomen. And you can see, look, oh, very gentle, very placid creatures. Not after me, just after a few bugs. Very misunderstood creatures spiders are. He's just chilling. He doesn't want to eat me. I don't want to eat him. Undisturbed. Look. No threat needed. So we'll let him be, and we'll continue on with our trip. Still no signs of bats, but here we have another very special arachnid located here at Blackbutt Forest, New South Wales, Illawarra, Australia. This is called the bee killer. Why is it called the bee killer? Because what does it look like right there? It looks like a nice little rose covered in pollen. So what happens is the bees, they get hypnotised. They're intrigued by this beautiful spider. So they fly in, bang, straight in the web. Got ya. And then it comes in for the kill. See, it's not too bothered by me. As you see, spiders, once again, very, very misunderstood creatures. There are, oh look, there you go, look at that, full action. See, if I were a bee, I'm dead. Quite a beautiful specimen. And we'll just let him be. Slowly walk off, undisturbed. And here we are, the exact GPS location where the bats were last spotted. As you can see, there's some pretty strong signs getting around that they are here in the area still. We've got the native fruits going down, which is a good sign. The grass is nice and green and lush from their fecal matter. But as you can see, no bats in sight yet. So we'll walk through and see if we can find it. And here we are, in the heart of the nest. As you can see, there's thousands of them. And I'm not too worried, because they are purely vegetarian. They're not bloodsuckers, they're not vampires. They feed on mainly fruit, nuts, pollen. They're crucial for the Australian biodiversity plan, and they're extremely important for maintaining the biodiversity of the Australian fauna. Because what they do is they travel, they get the pollen on their fur, and they eat the nuts and they spread out droppings from kilometres away from its parenting tree. So it helps, you know, sustain the forest. Absolutely crucial. And fuck, they're magnificent. There seems to be a common misconception going around that bats, or the flying fox in this case, are purely cave-dwelling creatures. That's very wrong. As you can see, they've made a nice little spot in the night in a nice tree, because along here on the east coast of Australia, especially on the coastline, there's not many caves getting around. So it'd be a bit tricky for them to find a nice spot to camp out for the night. Didn't take us long, and here we are. That is a perfect sample of what a flying fox stool should look like. See the nice, almost like a caramel kind of texture. So don't bring your kids down here. Did you get any of that? Here we are, we're back at the car. We've had a truly amazing experience here today with the amount of creatures we've seen. The flying fox, the leaf insect, the yellow stemmed mushroom. We've done what we come here to do. We checked out the bats. Everything seems to be in order. They're healthy. Their sleeping patterns are right. Their eating patterns are fine. The stool samples come back clean, which is awesome. And there has been no third party involvement, which has been awesome. It's purely natural, so we haven't had to come in and, you know, help them with anything, which has been awesome. So they're doing strong on their own, which is great to see in this day and age. You know, usually everything's under threat. Usually their environment's under threat, but they're doing well. I think we've got a few more decades out of them yet. I gotta go, boys and girls. Non-binary. And that will conclude today's video. Just remember to stay tuned for next time. Like, subscribe, ring those bells, 5-star rating, and we'll catch you next time.